Yesterday we drove up from Ceduna. We spent 4 really nice days in Ceduna, in Shelly Beach. But yesterday we drove up to Streaky Bay. A lot of people may have heard about Streaky Bay. It's a pretty popular spot. We stopped at Smoky Bay, which was really, really cute. Had a bit of a squiz around there, and then we drove on up. There is a fantastic caravan park right on the beach. Like literally you step out of your caravan and you're right on the beach. But we decided to stay at the RV park, which was back near the Oval, for $15 rather than the 40. The other caravan park was pretty full and we hadn't booked anything, so we didn't think we'd get in anyway. So but Streaky Bay is quite nice. It's a lot like Smoky Bay, just bigger, a bit like Ceduna, but a bit smaller. There are all these gorgeous little sheltered bays along the coastline here. They're just stunning, but they're tiny, and you wonder why they would remain tiny, because they've just got, pretty much everybody has a waterfront view, and it's a beautiful calm bay, and the water's stunning and cold but stunning. And the reason is that once you get about 2 minutes out of town, all you see is miles and miles of nothing. Like, it's just wheat fields. They're not even wheat fields at this time of year. It's all quite dry. I'm sure there's sheep as well, but it's just basically very isolated little pockets. So there's no bigger town nearby where you can go to work or anything like that. So the only people that are here are the people that are either in terms of Smoky Bay, they're the oyster farmers, which are doing exceptionally well with the Smoky Bay oysters, or they're people that maybe work in the post office or the servo or whatever, or the caravan park. There's not really a lot of work here, so that's why they stay small, but they are really gorgeous. So we're off now though it's only half an hour up the road at the most. We're going to stay for a couple of nights at Tractor Beach. On the beach. So that's why we weren't too worried about missing out on Streaky Bay. So we'll be on the beach. There's only, how many sites?
10.
We've booked in site 12.
We're booked in site 11. Oh no, it's 14.
It's 14 sites. And that's it. And you have to book online, you have to book ahead. So we thought, we'll give it a go. We missed Palubi Beach, which is another one you often see in the 4Wheel forums where people actually stay on the beach. The reason why we skipped that was because there were a few reviews where people had actually gone on with their caravan and then they got bogged. And a lot of the photos basically showed 4-wheel drives with rooftop tents and camping rather than actual caravans. So it just wasn't worth getting stuck. We didn't actually have anything to get us out, and
we don't have bog recovery gear at all. And
in hindsight, we didn't bring a shovel, so that could be a problem. Bit of a problem. So
we've got a winch.
We've got a winch.
Winch isn't much good on the beach when you got nothing to winch off.
No. So that's why we're going to Tractor Beach, which has got actual parking bays where you can be quite sheltered. There is actually a wind warning today again, so probably no drone footage unless the wind drops tomorrow. But we're hoping that we'll be fairly well sheltered in the dunes, a bit like we were in Eucla. So, but I guess wind warnings are pretty standard. We're pretty much, the next land stop is Antarctica. So yeah, and that's probably why the water's so cold. But yeah, that's where we're going. So we'll see you around.